Hello, welcome back to normal channel. This video today is just about a challenge, a road trip challenge. I just want to show you guys how much things can cost on the road. This can be coconuts, this can be fish, this can be anything on Ghanaian road. So I'm traveling with my partner j.𝙗 to Volta region to visit my mom. I hope this video will give you an idea how the road look like and the challenge of spending 20 Ghana cedis, what it can get you. So let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy. While you're watching the video, please consider liking, commenting, and let us know what you think of the video. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the video. See you.
Boss, how much is that? Listen, 2 cedis. I will give you a nice one, eh? The speaker where?
No, Ada.
Lift up. Chamo. Mam nie jest, okay. There's someone I say tuna. So I'm currently in 𝙒𝙤𝙬, so I just stopped to get some coconuts. So this is part of the challenge. So this coconut actually cost me 2 Ghana cedis. I'll convert the rating so I can see how much the coconut actually costs. Like this is neutral. Like I got my coconut here, which I'll probably have later. Daniel. So this is Daniel. Daniel was making sure I have the best coconut. So before that, I'll put it on YouTube. All right, was finished.
Oh, okay. How much was it?
It was 2 cedis.
Oh.
That's 2 cedi off. Taking. Salt, right? Yeah, this is I think it's not, this is the lagoon salt, is that right? Yeah. So at my mom's they do have a sea salt, but this one is the lagoon one. And this is anchovies, and this is dried chilies, this is palm nut oil. So if you watch most of my videos, I do use this a lot. And also here, this is what they use for the banku and akla and all that. So you can see here, this is what I was actually having last time when I did a video cooking the banku. Yeah, so this is what I was cooking on my Instagram live feed. So there is a lot here, but Next time. Right, so we just got our trophy. Cost 10 cedi each. I think we're still in budget, didn't we? So mom, dad. So we can't find it. There it is. Oh, that's nice. All right, sister. He said you don't eat abolo. Don't go with it. Be a brother for.